What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Let's Level Up, another SketchUp tutorial to help you guys through your day. Today, we're looking at the tape measure tool and a bunch of options that this has to offer. So let's dive right into it. So to locate your tool on the toolbar, you can hover over it up at the top. You can see it says tape measure tool. Click on that, or you can just type T for tape measure. SketchUp makes it really awesome and really easy to select your tools by very easy shortcuts. And we can make another video about that as to what they are. But today, I want to show you what this tool has to offer. So firstly, if you hover over a corner of an item, well, firstly, we're dealing with a 3 meter by 2 meter box with a hole in it. And if you hover over a corner, this is the point in relation to the axis that is actually on your page. You'll see as you go along. So it's 2 meters in the Z axis. We've got 3 meters on the green axis. We've got 3 meters and 0, 3 meters on the red axis, 0 on the green, and so on. Another thing is if you hover over a line, it'll give you the measurement of that line, any line. If you hover over the midpoint of something, it'll give you the X and Y X, Y, and Z coordinates of that point. You can also hover over a face of the group and it'll tell you the square meterage, which is very, very helpful when trying to quantify certain things on a surface. There are two other little features that are hidden within this tool. One is a guideline. Now, to do a guideline, you will hover over a line that you want to do, which will be essentially snapped to the specific axis. You'll click on drag. Now you can type the increment you want, or you could just drag it to the point that you feel like you need it to be on. So for now, we'll do an increment so that we can get a specific size to put a hole through this box. Next step, notice what SketchUp does. Very clever. It'll remember the last measurement that you did, which is nice because you don't have to keep on typing the specific amount. Like we'll have to change this one so that it's not a tiny little box. So here we'll jump into the box. We'll snap to the grid lines. We'll create a hole. And there you have your window. Now these can be left on the model as is, or you can just highlight them and delete, and then just create new ones. The last feature to this icon is actually being able to scale an item, which is really cool. So what you're going to do is, this is measuring 3 meters, as you can see in the bottom left measurement toolbox. Now I want to change that to a 2 meter measurement because I've oversized this for some reason. You click on the end, you type 2 meters in millimeters, enter, it'll ask you if you want to resize the model. You click yes, and it is done. As easy as that. Measure again, 2 meters, 2 meters by whatever the alternate measurement is. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. If you like the content, please like and subscribe, share with your friends. We've got many, many more tutorials and amazing content coming. We'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.